Hey guys, for those who don't know me, my name's Max. I'm the guy normally behind the camera for the photos and videos for the guys at Stitches and Still. But today I'm in front of the camera because I just picked up this. So yeah, it's a 2007 T5 X heating and gas van, covered in stickers, horrendous roof rack, lots of dents, lots of dings, but great little van. Got it for a good price, good miles. So the guys at Stitches have invited me down to the workspace today to fit a little custom conversion in the back, and yeah, got my own van. So let's get it.
What a specimen.
How does she drive? Like a dream, right?
A belter.
Yeah,
Well
tell
done.
me. Thank you.
It's great.
After years of threatening.
What is the, talk me through this thing.
So, 1.9, 2007 T5. It's an X gas and heating van.
They're the best ones.
Yeah, so it had like horrendous stickers down the side, hideous roof rack.
Did a great job getting
Yeah, in it, look, you can just about see it. I took the stickers off and I was like, oh man, it's gonna look so bad. And then I polished it and it's just like...
Dude, you can tell.
Yeah, thanks bro.
Look at that. It's a bit Max Howard colour scheme, isn't it?
Yeah, mate, I've had
freaking jazzy.
so many compliments on Instagram.
How
People
do
are
you?
like, mate, I love the colour.
Forestry Commission.
Yeah, you know.
So Max has been hustling us for how many years about vans?
2, 3, maybe?
And I sent him on a mission to go and find a bit of a stinker that we could make. I guess something that us guys could... These vans can be quite expensive, but we've figured out that if you buy an earlier one, a 1.9 with the PD engine, a few miles on it, they're a great base to get on the road, use daily, but also go camping in. But most of us guys can't afford to go and spend 10 grand on a conversion. So we figured that we'd make conversion plans. So rather than you going to a converter and you having your van with them for months on end, and I think if you're buying one of these vans and you want to sleep in it, I'm not sure if this is a generalization, but you're usually handy enough to pick up a spanner and a saw and get stuck in, and that's what today's about. This is our very first Stitches and Steel van conversion kit plan here. So I told Max to buy 4 sheets of plywood. That's what you'd hypothetically need if you enjoy what we're about to do today. These sheets we roll out onto the ply or the OSB. Nice choice.
Thank you.
Jigsaw them out, and hopefully it should, well it will by the time we sell them, it'll fit together seamlessly. You bolt it in and off you go. And the concept is you have a few mates over, get into the beers, and yeah, convert your van yourself. With a little help from us nerds being in the back of these things for 10 years, and you know how it is. So this will go in, we're gonna put our carbon fiber bunk in the roof, which by the time this thing goes live, hopefully is a DIY install too. And then Max, because he's a overland lord, big wheels, big tires, roof bar, external wheel holder for the rear tire, seat covers, and just sort of throw the whole show at it really. And hopefully we'll drive it out in a few hours time and it'll look like a
different beast.
A bit of a beast. So yeah, but as far as Max's, well, I'm yet to have a good sniff around, but it looks like a sick van. It's a cool color. It's a bit rough around the edges, but they go better dinged up. You know what I mean? Like, he wants something that's perfect. Here it is. It is. We're still. I'd love to say we're not still in development phase. We still are a little bit. But ultimately, here's a sheet of wood. Here are your plans. Stick them down. Get your saw out. Whiz them out, and it should fit perfectly in your Volkswagen Transporter. Down to the hole. So these holes here are. If you drill a hole through there, assemble it correctly, that hole will line up directly with the factory bolt holes in your van.
Josh, talk us through the first steps then, my man.
So first steps, unroll your paper onto your board and then get yourself a tape measure and check the dimensions of the sheet, because paper can stretch, shouldn't stretch.
How nuts is that? Paper moves. Paper moves more than I ever thought paper
That's
moved.
mental, isn't it?
Yeah, so you have to calibrate your sheet with your sheet.
So as long as those measurements are right, this should be the right shape.
And they're right.
They're correct. That's pretty cool, huh?
What a beast.
All the boys freaking out. They all want it themselves. You've done well.
It looks insane.
Yeah.
Should we do a little,
Yeah.
little front to back?
Yeah, let's
do it,
do it.
man.
So it's, yeah, what year is it? 2007.
2007.
Standard old tatty panel van, but sort of repurposing it for its retirement phase. We call it retirement phasing them. 18-inch steel wheel with a pretty friggin' large tire into turbo. Max will let us know how he gets some of them. The concept's rad. They're remolds, so they're super eco-friendly, but they're really purposeful. So we're sick off-road. Maybe there'd be a disaster on road. We had to find out, but they look badass. Awning rail, stealthy awning rail underneath the roof bars. Again, it's pretty handy setup. It's our usual go-to. Spare wheel holder. Spare. We could put a full-size spare on there when we get around to it, but ultimately that'll looks pretty cool and it's pretty purposeful again. And aside from exterior-wise, that's everything. The coolest part is inside, and today we emulated a weekend day where you are on your driveway slinging this thing together with your mates. We did it at work on a Friday afternoon and got into the beers, but ultimately we're pretty stoked that you can do this with some tools and some mates in a day. And we've been let down with a couple of bits while we've been figuring it out. This is demo number one. But should we check out this side and then sort of go that way?
Look at that thing, man.
So it's 4 sheets of plywood, whatever wood you want to go and buy. The bottom sheet's 12, the other 3 sheets are 18. We've nested the patterns we traditionally CNC out. We literally print them out. We put a dirty great big printer, print them out, stick them on, jigsaw all the shapes out, and they all slot together like this. And then the idea is it's kind of putting the build in the buyer's hands in the sense that you want to use it for slinging motorbikes in the back of it, and the idea of that is all we've done is stick a hinge in the middle and it folds, and you can do that. This could be cut out and it could be a drawer. You chose the fact that it's probably going to be a backpack or your motorbike helmet. You know what I mean? It gives you complete creativity to modify our plans and make it work for you.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And then obviously our
Standard.
insulation, side panels, and the carbon fiber bunk. So the bunk is, we've been fitting these for years. We're getting our head around making them a little bit less riggy and a bit scary to rig and a bit more user friendly. These are a double, just a standard double bed, standard double sheet, standard duvet, and yeah, just like a really good night's sleep. It's a proper bed. It's not like a silly rock and roll thing. It's lightweight, but 9 times out of 10 you're not camping, you're driving it. So this has got a heavy emphasis on, doesn't rattle, doesn't make it, you know, you've still got your van when you need a van, and then you can pull it up and get out of the way. Yeehaw. Obviously you want a dual start hinge. It just gives you full access to put a ramp there, and either your mountain bike or obviously your motorbike.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And then you can close it up. And you
Good to go, man. Full camp mode.
Hey, sick.
Yeah, man, this is another level.
Cool.
Can't wait to take it on some trips, man.
Should be good.
Sweet, man. Well, yeah, shall I shoot some photos and we get out of here?
Yeah, no, get some photos done. Make use of that insane sunset.